Have you ever tried to explain a meme to your grandparents? It's tough, right? You have to describe the picture, explain the text, and then somehow connect it all to the cultural joke it's referencing. It's a lot of work because you are trying to translate a visual and textual idea into just words. That's kind of what early AI models were like. They were experts in one thing, like text or images, but couldn't really connect the dots between them. Well, that's all changing. Welcome to the era of multimodal AI. So, what exactly is multimodal AI? The word multi means many, and modal refers to a mode or type of data. So, multimodal AI is an artificial intelligence that can understand and process information from multiple sources at once. Text, images, audio, video, you name it. Think about how we humans experience the world. We don't just read text. We see faces, hear voices, watch videos, and interpret gestures. We combine all these inputs to form a complete understanding. Multimodal AI is designed to do the same thing. It's about giving AI the ability to see, hear, and understand the world in a much more holistic, human-like way. Let's take a simple example. If you show a text-only AI, like an earlier version of ChatGPT, a picture of a birthday party, it can't see it. You have to describe it. There's a cake with candles, people are smiling, there are balloons. The AI then processes your text, but a multimodal AI can look at the photo directly. It sees the cake, hears the happy birthday song in an accompanying video clip, and reads the text on a banner. It understands the context. It's a celebration. It can even infer the emotions of the people in the photo. It's the difference between reading a book about a concert and actually being there, feeling the music, and seeing the light show. One of the most exciting examples of this is Google's Gemini. It was built from the ground up to be multimodal. In some of the early demos, we saw it do incredible things. You could draw a squiggly picture of a duck, and Gemini would not only identify it as a duck, but also suggest making the sound quack if you added a speech bubble. You could show it a video of someone doing a magic trick with a coin, and it could explain step by step how the trick was done, just by watching. This is a game changer. It's not just processing data, it's reasoning and interacting with it across different formats. So, why is this such a big deal? Why does it change everything we thought we knew about AI? For starters, it breaks down the barriers between different types of information. Until now, we've had AI that's amazing at writing, AI that's brilliant at creating images, and AI that can transcribe audio flawlessly. But they were all specialists working in their own separate lanes. Multimodal AI is the generalist, the project manager that brings all those specialists together. This unified understanding allows for much more powerful and useful applications. Imagine a doctor using a multimodal AI. They could show it a patient's X-ray image, upload their written medical history, and include an audio recording of the patient describing their symptoms. The AI could analyze all three sources simultaneously to suggest a more accurate diagnosis than it could from any single piece of information. Or think about education. A student could be struggling with a math problem in their textbook. They could take a picture of the problem, and the AI could not only solve it, but also generate a custom video explanation, verbally walking them through the steps just like a real-life tutor would. This ability to see and hear also makes AI infinitely more accessible. For people with visual impairments, a multimodal AI could describe the world around them through their phone's camera, reading street signs, identifying products on a shelf, or even describing the scene at a park. It could listen to a lecture and generate not just a transcript, but a summarized presentation with key visuals and diagrams. The possibilities are truly transformative. It's like giving AI a full set of senses, moving it from a purely digital brain to one that can perceive the physical world. Of course, this raises some important questions. As AI understands more about us and our world, our faces, our voices, our daily lives, privacy and security become even more critical. We need to be careful about how this technology is developed and deployed. Ensuring that these powerful tools are used ethically and responsibly is a challenge that we all need to be part of solving. The goal is to build AI that helps humanity, not exploits it. We need strong regulations and transparent systems to make sure these incredible advancements benefit everyone. Let's bring it back to that initial idea. Your brain, but digital. That's the ultimate vision for multimodal AI. Your brain doesn't have a separate image processor and sound processor that don't talk to each other. It's one integrated network. When you watch a movie, you're not consciously thinking, okay, process the visuals. Now process the audio. Now read the subtitles. It all just flows together into a single cohesive experience. That's what we're starting to see with models like Gemini and others. They are being built to mimic this seamless integration. This is a fundamental shift from what came before. The AI revolution so far has been largely driven by text. We learned to talk to AI. Now we're teaching it to see and listen. This will unlock a new level of creativity and problem solving. An architect could sketch a building, and the AI could turn it into a 3D model while suggesting structural improvements based on real-world physics simulations. A musician could hum a melody, and the AI could orchestrate it into a full symphony, complete with a music video. The next few years are going to be incredibly exciting. As multimodal AI gets better and more integrated into the tools we use every day, our interactions with technology will become far more natural and intuitive. We'll be able to communicate with AI in the same way we communicate with each other, using words, images, sounds, and gestures. It's not just about making AI smarter in a technical sense. It's about making it more understanding in a human sense. We're moving beyond simple instruction, following to true collaboration. So, the next time you see an AI do something that seems like magic, like describing a video or generating a picture from a sound, remember that it's all part of this massive shift towards multimodal understanding. The future of AI isn't just about text anymore. It's about everything. It's about an AI that can finally see, hear, and understand the rich, complex world we live in. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology. See you in the next one.